Home Show.
Chris from Galveston has a question about metal roofing.
Well, his sister just bought a house in Sea Isle down in Galveston, and she's thinking about going with a metal roof. Chris writes to us, she wants a real metal roof, but I know there are different types, but I don't know which type is the right one for this environment. Tom, I imagine being next to all that salt water, there's got to be a very special kind of metal you're going to put on your roof.
Most of the metals used today in all of these roofings are called a galvalume, where it's just a mixture of aluminum and galvanized, and who else knows what they put in there? I'm not a
metallurgist or whatever.
Yes, a metallurgist. Well, I can tell you where to go to find out exactly the roof. But here's the other thing, Chris, is how you apply the roof to meet your windstorm standards. That's going to be the most important thing, because not every metal roof is going to meet windstorm standards. So when you find your metal and you talk to the experts, who I'll tell you in a minute, then you're going to make sure that it meets the windstorm standards, and they'll make sure they sell you the right one, and we'll get it put on properly. But then you have to go and do that. But as far as what I would do if I was going to put a steel roof on a house, we'll call it a steel roof because metal a little more cheaper as far as the way it sounds. But a good steel roof, you go to Mueller Steel Buildings and you talk to the experts. They don't apply the roof. They don't put it on. But they're the ones that can specify everything, make sure it's windstorm certified, give you the exact specifications. I can go on and on, but you're going to get the package delivered. Then you get a roofer, whether it's Ideal Roofing or maybe you, Chris, a roofer that's familiar with that area, knows how to do it. That's fine. Or even Mueller could probably recommend some people. But it's going to be windstorm certification. And believe me, I know down in Galveston, any of those counties down there, you've got to meet those standards no matter what you buy. It's not what you want. It's what they tell you can have.
And did I say about Mueller, they've been around a long time and they stand behind their work, and you know that it's a quality metal product.
Well, two things. Almost 100 years. I think it's right. Like 95 or 6 now.
Close enough.
It was 93, and then last time I saw them at a home show last year, they said, no, it's 96 now. So, they've been with us so long, I lose track. And secondly, this stuff is all made in America here in Texas and Louisiana, so it's down homegrown. That's what it is.
All right. You got a question? We'll help you out just like that. And by the way, if you're looking for any of our Home Show pros, they're all at HomeShowRadio.com, right on the homepage. The same place you'll find our Ask Tom form. Fill it out, send it in. We'll answer it in a video just like this. We post them every day to our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and HomeShowRadio.com.